Well, the Voynich Manuscript has had many different theories proposed for it. Some people think that it's a complete hoax. It's now been carbon dated from the 15th century, so it's most likely, if it is a hoax, to have been a 15th century hoax, which I personally don't believe. But some people think it's just gobbledygook, it's just an invention to make money, somebody made it to fool people and make money. Other people think it's probably a code. In other words, someone encoded lots of secrets in it, hoping that no one would find out, and if so, that's been very successful because no one's cracked it so far. But in my opinion, it is actually a genuine script, obviously a human-devised script, but masking behind it a genuine human language. In a language which seems to me to have more, if you like, Near Eastern, maybe Caucasian, Asian aspects to it rather than European because of some of the words that I've decoded. So I would imagine that once we've actually managed to decode the script, we'll find that the language underneath is a natural human language, probably from that part of the world. And the book as a